Hello, in this video we will learn to install Newman, the Postman CLI client on Mac operating system. We will be using Homebrew package manager for this installation because Homebrew package manager will download all the dependencies which are required for Newman, and it will be simple one step or two step process for you to download this Newman on your Mac operating system. First we will start with installation of Homebrew package manager. Open homebrew.sh on your browser and you will find a command for installing Homebrew. We have to run this command from Mac OS terminal. So let's open our terminal and paste this command as it is and click enter. Now enter your password and you will see all information of directories which will be created with this installation. So just press enter, that is return button on your Mac, and that's it. The installation of Homebrew is completed. We can verify with the simple Homebrew command brew list, and if there is no error, it means our installation is successful. Now let's use brew package manager for searching Newman with a simple command brew search Newman. You can see that Newman is existing there. Now next simple command is brew install Newman. It's pretty much easy to install any tool with help of brew, so I recommend to go with the brew approach rather than going through manually installing node. Now you can see the Newman is already installed. We can go ahead and try to run a command. Let's see if we can find help. Alright, no error. It means that Newman is already present. We can try with the option which they have suggested. Okay, so you can either use Newman -h or -help, and we can also check version. The version we have installed with -v. So that's all. That's pretty much easy to install Newman with Homebrew package manager. In next chapter I will explain you how to run a Postman collection with Newman. This here is another approach for installing Newman. For that you have to install Node by yourself and also make sure you download the correct version of Node, and after that you can install with help of npm package manager, but I recommend Brew. Brew takes care of all the dependencies and you just don't need to care about downloading those manually. Thank you.